Hey, brace yourself, Lena. Brace yourself. No one coming. No, hook on the bike. Hold on, it's coming. No, it's not coming. It's not coming. see. I don't know if I got the wall or not. That police dog might be still up there. Getting a lot there already. Look at the smoke coming off it. Safety glass in here, look at that spark. What's the smoke detector in that building now, Gareth? Look at that big. Some heat up, boy. Unbelievable, the heat. Unbelievable. Heading toward that building, too. I might go up one of it. What up one of it? Oh, the heat's going towards that building there. Oh, look through this wee hole here. Look at that, keep the heat up. Look at that wee hole for you, look at that. You look through that wee hole there, Pet. I'll look through this top one. I'll help keep the heat down for you, but you don't see it like that. I can put the camera through this hole. I can be shooting up the heat. Some heat there, Luna. Some heat. In the battery. What are you barking at now? You can't go around careful. That wee wait's scared, Luna. Don't be barking at him. Oh, you got sparks on its eyes.
Fucking hot, isn't it?
Oh, hey, Thursday.
My hands are
I
fucking...
try standing down there.
Yeah. I know.
Comes at you.
Fucking hell.
I'm just thinking how hot that bulb over there.
Yeah, fucking hell.
All the flames heading for it.
Even that fucking hell.
I'll stand behind the wall.
It'd take a while to put that out, wouldn't it?
The car went up like it. That's very
Well,
quick.
yeah, it's collapsed a lot. I can't hold my phone here anymore.
Sparks on the road, like wee vortex. Go over all wee bit. Can I see now? I'm blinded here. windows are boarded up, but you see the wee light on the walls got a material on it. I wonder if that's a wee bit of fireproof cloth to stop the light melting. So the building is getting renovated, but all the windows are boarded up. Probably have to take it. I don't know if it's getting renovated. It was renovated. That was the old fire station, Horse and Cart days, and they have built an extension on the side. See the modern roof and all. So it is a modern building inside. But there seem to be buildings behind it. They seem to be renovating and probably joining on to it. I don't know. Either that or I would say the was just on to protect it. You're a bit rowdy down there, Luna. They're probably under the arch where they sound better for the acoustics. See people get drunk on them, I tell you. Oh, she's on the scrounge. Come on now, we need to head home, Luna. I don't know when I'm going to get this video edited. So I'll be down here tomorrow, Pet, 9 o'clock. Ah, that's a wee. Police car had the road closed off, the lights on, they're gone now. Oh, that's right now, Pep.
Commander, I'll see you in the morning. Ellie Lodge. Luna.
Oh, we're looking for food.
Is she?
All the time.
Max is gorgeous. Here.
I would say the majority of them drunk people, they weren't drinking outside the bonfire, but whenever the cannon went to the memorial hall, they emptied the memorial hall. So a lot of them boys have been drinking in the memorial hall. Them ones just singing away now, like.
Up to the school.
That's what I reckon, I know. We're heading back now to the car. We're heading back to the car now. Tired now, like. I can hear the wee drone overhead again. So the wee drone's on standby up there somewhere. There's up above me. Wee red and green lights. So the more I keep it above the courthouse all the time. And if they want a wee nosy, they just sort of swoop in. Like when boys are putting flags up on lampposts. All the boys now singing and all underneath the arch. They must know the wee drones up there, Luna. But get home now, you got a wee cup of tea, Luna.